Hindi ako makarecord, gago.
Ay, hold. Hold down.
Wala pa ako.
Oh, step up.
Ang ina, naka-astra si Signal. Puta.
Hold on.
Sino itong
Hold
mga to?
the choke. Step up.
Kaya ba? Okay.
Okay ba yan?
Okay, I'm gonna look for a quick engage at the front.
Nasa laya mo dyan.
One.
Case na call.
Engage at the front. Front. Oh, don't. Come back. The front, come back. Okay, nice. Hold. Just hold. Okay, walk up. Light helmet. Walk up. Light helmet. We're gonna engage in 11 seconds. Just walk with them. Just walk with them. We're gonna engage, okay, in 5 seconds inside the pass, okay? Hold. Okay, we're engaging inside the pass in 3, 2, 1. Inside the pass. 30 pace. Okay, come back west. Come back sa west.
Verdi, dying.
Come back sa west.
Verdi.
The front.
Yo.
Come back sa west.
Oh.
I have okay, kahit muna tayo southwest. Southwest. Down the choke. Stabilize muna.
They're holding.
Yes. Okay, hold lang tayo. Stabilize muna. Heals for the front. Heals for the front muna. Okay, mana check. Baba kayo ng choke. Wait lang. Mana check. Okay pa mana nyo?
Goods pa.
LT.
Okay pa.
LT pa.
Jesse, kalma ka. Find a good play.
Kalma ba?
Step up. Kapag okay, hold this Hold this outpost. I'm gonna fake. I'm gonna try to fake. Baiting. Okay, wait, hold on. I baited the right helmet. Okay, hold. Hold down. Okay, looking an angle for in their northwest.
Blood yung Ravicious.
Looking ang angle in their northwest in 3, 1. Northwest. This one guy.
Uy.
Okay, na.
Guys,
Okay.
Guys, damage.
Don't cross. Just hold. At the front. I'm driving Judy in the front. Okay, walk in them. Walk inside of them. Roll in them. Wait, just hold for 11 seconds. I'm gonna engage in tight pass, Just keep falling inside the pass. Keep falling in there. Okay, hold 5 seconds, 5 more seconds. Okay, we're engaging in northeast in 3, 1. Northeast now. Only 3 guys. 3 guys. Okay, one down. Okay, come back southwest. Okay, let's keep rolling. Just spread.
Tangina.
Absorb the engage, okay? Absorb the engage.
Di running.
Sige, just clean them up. Oh, wait. We can engage inside the pass in 10 seconds.
Rapin Judy. Heal blood.
Still engage inside the pass. Chase stragglers.
To.
At this one guy.
Natapuan dito, bobo ka.
2 guys on me.
Ang ano mo?
Nice.
Nice.
Boss. Pre, tinrush to ka, pre.
Oy, walang trust to.
Ay, wala palang ganun. Wala palang ganun.
Patay niyo si Patay niyo si Signal!
Nakakayas pa ako! Let's go! Oy, baki yung magpapahil.
LOL!
May lord pa tayo. Oy, come back outpost. There is lord.
Oy, clear go. Back to outpost daw.
Back to
Wala akong
outpost.
napatay. Shit.
Birdie run. I need a healer.
Asan si Birdie?
Asan yung astral signal?
Tangina ni Signal. Sa akin yung Astra na Signal.
Gigil kayo kay Signal
Tangina, naka 4.4 si Signal eh. Ay, naka 5.4 si Signal. Tangina, sakit eh. Iniinda ko yung ano eh.